welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Athletic Greens discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for Athletic Greens discount promo codes. Right here, go to this website which is called simplycodes.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this 10% off discount, all you need to do is select copy code from right here, and you can copy this promo code and apply this one on your next purchase in order to get this 10% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called retailminnow.com. And as you can see right here, we have some promo codes also that we can use to get some discount. For example, if you want to get this 5 free travel packs, all you need to do is select show code from right here. And on your next purchase, you can copy this code from right here. And you can apply this promo code in order to get this 5 free travel packs. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.